Welcome friends, welcome back to Novergymatics JS Learning channel. So today we'll see a small tool but an important tool in Quantum.js software. So we'll see how to convert a raster from geographic coordinate system to projected coordinate system. Like I prepared a video on how to georeference a Toku sheet or a scan map and how to assign the coordinate system. So that only that scan map which is georeference one I have added over here, so you can go through that video also. So this particular scan map, which is a survey of India, which is an Indian agency map, so it has already georeference, but it has the geographic coordinate system. You can see here coordinates are in degrees of latitude and longitudes. So to convert it into a projected coordinate system, so there is a tool in Quantum.js. So go to raster. In projections there is an option reproject. It is also known as WARP, W-A-R-P, WARP. So that option we have to take. So input layer by default software takes, or you can select from this drop down. Source CRS, source coordinate reference system, optional, means it is already given, so we will not do anything here. Target CRS we have to change. So here we have to assign the projected coordinate system. So that we have to change after clicking on this globe option. So mostly we give or use the UTM coordinate system. So since these are showing because I have frequently taking, but you can filter it. You can type UTM 43 north because our map is having 43 zone in the northern hemisphere. And so after filtering this, we have got some filtered coordinate systems. In that we have to choose the relevant one which is fit to our area. Like here I will select this because my study area is here in this zone, WGS 1984 UTM zone 43 north. Rest are so see here 43 north UTM zone is there, but the WGS datum is older one, 72, here 75, like this. So that's why I prefer this. If you know this authority ID APSG 32643, you can also filter. Okay, so it will directly come if you know the code, and then you have to select. Now click on OK, and what next, we have to save the reprojected file, which will be a new raster created. That we have to click on save to file to our local drive, wherever you want to save it. So I will go to my folder where I want to save it, and here I will name it. Suppose I will give its index number, and simply I will write reproject because I am reprojecting it, and .img because save as type is .img. We can also change it. We can take div, geotiff, whatever. So img, and click on save. This much of only we have to do, and click on run. So mostly projected coordinate systems are preferred because it allows us to do the measurements of lengths, distances, areas, perimeters, and so on. So that's why mostly, and in that also projected coordinate system UTM is mostly preferred. So it is finished successfully. So I will close this window and you can see here it is another raster appear. But since earlier we have added the georeference one which has the geographic coordinate, so that's why its coordinates only appear over here. To see the changes, we have to take new option, discard it, and just click on add raster here and go to the file where you save it from here. So here it is our file 47F16 reproject, and click on that and click on open. Again click on add, close it. So you can see now coordinates are in projected coordinate system, projected coordinates which are meters by default in UTM coordinate system. So this way simply we can change the coordinate system of a raster file from geographic projection to projected coordinate system. So this was all about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. So thank you so much friends.